Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error Microsoft Word couldn't start last time. Safe mode could help you troubleshoot the problem. So guys, to resolve this issue, click on start, type regedit or click on registry editor, run as administrator. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now guys, in here you need to expand. So expand H key current user, then software. Now expand Microsoft Office. Now expand 16.0. Now expand common. So right click on common and select new and key. Type open find. So type this key open find, and if you have already this key, so find out it and double click on it. Now right click anywhere, new and D132. Now type enable. Now type here enable shell data caching. Type this exactly, enable shell data caching. Then double click on it. Select value data 1. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC or laptop. So like this guys, you can fix and resolve Microsoft Word couldn't start last time safe mode problem in your Windows PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.